My heart's been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Said it's my fault with my heart on my sleeve. So I'ma put my heart on nice, cause I can't breathe. Ooh. You know, some I can't sing, but the song's stuck in my head if I'm What's poppin'? What are we talking about today? So I ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova. First of all, can y'all subscribe? Yeah, press the button on subscribe. Thank you. So I spent about $8 Canadian, because I'm Canadian, and ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna go through the unboxing, show you guys kind of what things look, and at the end I will try them on for you, tell you what fits, what doesn't fit, because sometimes their sizes be shaky. Okay? Where's the package? Oh! Let's start. I just realized how ghetto this is. What is that? Anyways, so I ordered a few things. I think I got 7 or 8 items for my $80 because, you know, I'm balling on a budget. They had 50% off because honestly, I don't buy from them unless it's 50% off. I'm gonna just be honest with you. Ooh, child. And the AC's on. Okay, there's so much stuff in here, but I want to get the receipt. Oh, so I could tell y'all. Okay. Whatever, I'll just open it one by one. There you go. There's a song. Something about one by one. You know. Maybe later it'll come to me. I bought a pair of rider shorts. Nothing fancy, just some regular riding shorts. They're a little see-through because, yeah, just a tad bit. Let's see. Yep, see them? But, you know, put on a thong and you're good to go. Or don't wear any drawers, up to you. That's lit. This is the Say It Louder striped romper. It says it here. That's how I know what it is. I'm hot. So hot. This is cute. I actually like this material. This feels like cotton. Sometimes their material's a little questionable. But this feels real nice. Ooh. It says polyester, 96% polyester, 4% spandex, but it feels good. Look at that pattern. What I like about this romper, or rompers in general, is when it has that little cinch. I don't know if you can see it. There, see that dip right here? Yeah. Cause like, you know, I have a waist. And then it comes out for them thighs, so I like it. This, I feel like will be cute. That's a cute little number. That feels nicer than this. What material is this? But to be honest, this one's not. Oh, this one's cotton and spandex, but this cotton doesn't feel. Did you hear that? Yeah. Okay, next up we have Spotting Drama, a leopard romper. My heart's been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. This is the colors. It's cute. Again, it has the waist cinching, and then the hip part comes out, which I like. Because, like, I want to look like I have like a ship. I'm sorry, like, you know, I want a little shape. I got this dress because it was $10. It looks small. For 3X, this looks, look at this. This looks small. Small, small, small. Real small. I don't see this. This looks like it's gonna hold on to my gut. I'm not. This don't feel like it. Polyester and spandex. This. Not excited to try that one on. Oh, Brooke Biker shorts. Brooke Biker. No. Brooke Biker shorts. There it is. There it is. It's my fault I wear my heart on my sleeve. Okay. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be singing this song. This is stretchy. It looks a little small, as you can tell. Like, the size of my head is a little small, but it's very stretchy. So, let's see. For a 3X, is this a 3X? Because now these sizes look small, and they don't say Fashion Nova inside. It says Bozzolo. Let's see. Okay, I bought the Coming Through skirt set. Let's see what it looks like in 3X. Everything here is 3X. It's like, honestly, sometimes I order 4X from them, and it's so weird. The 4X will be way too big, because sometimes it's just a few items that they have in 4X, and then 3X would be so small. So I don't know what they want from me. My dollars. This looks interesting. The sleeves look big enough. It's long sleeve. There it is. It's a 2-piece. It has a little cinching thing in there. It is kind of see-through-ish. This is the skirt. Fashion Nova be having some stuff that just looks so cheap. Like, this don't look cheap to y'all. Like, y'all big brand. Couldn't you at least say Fashion Nova on it? Anyways, this is a skirt. It has a cinch there and a split. Again, it's see-through. The material's not bad. I don't feel like my nail will go through it, because you know when you're pulling up your pants, skirt, whatever it is, you're pulling up your clothes and your nail just goes right through it. I don't get that from this material. I don't know if I really like this outfit. Maybe it's one of those you have to try on. I have another, this is the last thing, and this is the Love You pant set. So how many items did I get? This was a set, so it's technically 2. This is a set, so it's technically 2. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items technically for my $80. I think it was $78, but whatever, $80. I don't know what's going on. Okay, here is the top, I think. I don't even remember what this looks like, so I'm trying to figure out. Hold on one moment, please. Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay, so this is how it is. There's the sleeve. It drops down. It has a little cinch there at the waist. cinched right here at the waist. It kind of flares out, kind of like a little peplum vibe. It looks like how I did in the pictures. It's cute. I like it. I like it. It hangs down a bit, so it really does have that little peplum. So when you have a little gutty gut and you want to cover it up, these pants, that top does look kind of true to size. The pants, on the other hand, it looks true to size. It stretches a lot. It has a good stretch. Again, kind of see-through-ish. The bottom is like a flare out. Not major, but still kind of flary. Flary. Anyways, yeah. That's what I got from Fashion Nova. This video is not... Sorry, I have a nail that's breaking. And it kind of got caught in the material. This video is not sponsored. I spent my own dollars. And they're not paying me for this, so... subscribe, please. Thanks. So, I'm going to try these on so you guys can get the full effects of what it looks like. But I wanted you guys to get my first glance, my first impression. And so far, I really love this romper. And that last two-piece suit that I just showed you guys. It is super cute. Again, spend this time to subscribe. I'm gonna go try these stuff on. Thanks. Okay, these are the biker shorts. They're really thin. I felt like my nail was gonna go through it, but we survived. That's what it looks like. This dress is from Fashion Nova, by the way, if you're interested. So these were easy to get into, but it's like really flimsy, so I can see myself pulling it up every minute. But that was it. The material's soft, feels like your skin kind of, but I can see this coming down every second. You have to like pull it up and you're there. But whatever, not bad. Let me tell you how I love this. There's no Spanx, no sucky, no, this is just me in my regular underwear, and I love it. It fits so nice. Like, it feels like your skin. Like, somebody's beach in the sun, hot, chilling, trying to cool off. Like I said, this is just my regular gut. Look at that. Like, this is just easy. Honestly, it just draws up. You don't hear no like you're tearing something. It just goes on up so easy. Like, you do a little. Man, my look good. My shit nice. So I love this. This is worth my dollars. Definitely worth my dollars. Look at that shade. Okay, this is the dress. I'm surprised that it even went on. It took a couple of, but it's on. It's not tight. It just, I'm kind of sweating and it sticks to your skin kind of a thing. I don't know if I like that. This is how it looks. It's a bit, again, it's not that it's tight, it's that I'm kind of sweating and it kind of latches on. But it looks better than I thought it was going to be. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so this is the two-piece. I'm sweating. I have on 1, 2 plus the ring light. I'm hot, but so it was a little bit sticky, but I think overall it's It's not a bad outfit. This is the one that's kind of thick, but kind of thin. Like it's see-through, but the material's kind of thickish. Oh, look at that. Just what the cinch looks like. It's a cute little look. Sweating, look. Sweating. Overall, I don't mind it. Once I have a little Spanx on and sucking that gut. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, this two-piece, the pants, which I thought were not gonna fit, like there's room. It went on so easy, so simple. This little peplum top thing is cute. It cuts a little wide, but I like it. I like it. It's cute, man. I love it. This would have been a bomb New Year's outfit because, like, it doesn't have to be a dress. You can't see the leg, but you get the story. You get the gist. I think all the items that I got were pretty booming. They all fit, which I was surprised. This is so cute. So, what you need to do is to like this, subscribe, and guess what? Tell a friend. Or comment and tell me which outfit was your fave. I really love off the shoulders. It just gives you a little look. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you. Bye.